Routine care is the least expensive insurance policy you can buy for a handcrafted rug. Our recommendation for proactive maintenance? Vacuum once a week with the beater bar turned off. Always move in the direction of the pile. Every 3 months, rotate your rug to spread out foot traffic and sunlight evenly. Be sure to get a high-quality rug pad. It absorbs impact, keeps the corners flat, and adds years to the life of your rug. If your rug sits in direct sunlight, consider sheer drapery or a UV window film to prevent fading. It's also a good idea to keep a spill kit nearby. Stock it with clean white cloths and a bottle of pH-neutral soap and some white vinegar. Baking soda is another handy tool. It works well for odor removal and quick dry cleaning. It's safe for wool, PET, and acrylic. Used lightly on viscose and rayon, and it's especially effective on jute if you apply it right away. And for even more protection, we recommend adding our stain-resistant coating at the time of purchase. These small habits, vacuuming, rotating, padding, and quick response to spills, take just minutes, but they can add years of life to your rug.